standing just in front of the collision repair booth at CCIF. I'm joined by Mike. Mike, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Tell us all about what it is you do.
I'm the general manager of Consolidated Collision Services, and what we do is we are a collision repair network for new car dealers. We've got 70 locations across the country with a focus on customer retention, performance and profitability, and cars to the door from our insurance partners.
Right on. So, Mike, CCIF, we're in our second day now. What has stood out to you?
Day 2 of CCIF. Yeah, I would say the trade show is certainly a big part of being here. The manufacturing of their displays, the equipment, reconnecting with old friends and new friends, and really just being a part of the industry and being a part of something bigger than yourself, bigger than your day to day.
What do you think is most important to you? Do you think it's that networking aspect of it?
Absolutely, it's connecting with the old friends and seeing the folks that you get to see once a year that you're separated by distance from, or putting a name to the voice on the phone kind of thing. It's where everybody goes, and you have to be here. There's no reason not to be here.
So what's next for you in the year 2020? What can we look forward to?
Year 2020 from CCS?
Yes.
We're looking forward to growing our team. We're looking forward to growing our network and driving value for our members and making dealers happy. That's what we're all about. So we're going to keep doing that, and every year gets better and better. So we're just hoping 2020 is the exact same way.
Awesome, Mike. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sam. Great to meet you.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.